I'm in northeast Oklahoma and signs of a grass fire here, Seneca Cayuga Fire, Grove Fire Department, Cowskin Fire, multiple departments coming together, high winds, no structures were burned. We're on East 240 Road, just to the west of Highway 10, really close to the lake. No one was injured in this fire. It was fast spreading. It spread from one side of 240 to the other and got near a residence. These conditions will persist all weekend long, and fire departments across the entire region are asking those to not burn outside. In northeast Oklahoma, I'm Shannon Becker for Joplin News First and KOAM News Now.